Welcome. In this video I will show you all the ways to take a screenshot on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So to take a screenshot, you can either use a combination of keys of Windows Shift and S buttons, just press them simultaneously, or just single click the print screen button over here. So once you press one of these buttons, you will be able to see a bar at the top of your screen, where you can either select to take a screenshot or to record a video, and as we have selected to screenshot our device, we can select a shape in which we want to take a screenshot. For example, if we select rectangular form, we can just left click and press at any spot of our screen, and then just drag the selection to the point at which we want our screenshot to end, for example like this. And once we take a screenshot, it is automatically copied to our clipboard and is also saved to our screenshot folder. The folder is located in File Explorer, Pictures, Screenshots, and here we go. There is our screenshot. Now, all the other types of screenshots are window, full screen, and freeform. So the window screenshot is the screenshot type that allows us to select a window on our screen, for example this screenshot folder, select it and take a screenshot of it exclusively. The full screenshot is just a default screenshot. We have to just press it once and it takes the screenshot of the entire screen. And the freeform screenshot is basically just like rectangular, except for you can just draw any form and any shape on your screen and take a screenshot of it only, like this. So it looks like this. And basically those were all the options to take a screenshot on your laptop. If you liked this video, thank you so much for watching. If you didn't, thank you so much for watching either way. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.